respected dignitaries on the dais, Professor Mishra and Dr. Chauhan, ladies and gentlemen, and the lab assistants. The day I came for this course, I feel, was one of the most blessed moments in my life. I'm Dr. Tina Annie Joy from Kerala. I'm a consultant gynecologist. And the moment I stepped into the campus, I was full of awe. I was in awe of all the things that were here, the equipment, and above all, the main person behind the show, Professor Mishra. I stand here with mixed feelings today because there is one part of me that's extremely elated and happy that I have learned something which is like the most prized of things, laparoscopic surgery. And I have actually reached the pinnacle where I could actually touch that robo. You know, that itself was a very humbling moment. Because like many of my colleagues have said, not many people allow anybody to touch their robo. And to actually be generous to let me touch it and let me actually work on tissue and on exercises with it, I think takes a big and generous heart. From the time I came here and over the days of my course here, I thought that, you know, it's like one of my friends said, I should borrow his sentence, it's like entering Hogwarts. And it's like the magical realm of Harry Potter, where you see amazing things happen, brilliant things come to life, and where you see masterful surgery, skillful procedures. But the beauty of it all was that Sir had that ability to bring even the most confusing, the most complicated, the most tough of things down to the level of a novice in such a way, in such a beautiful manner. He spun that tale, you know. There was a beginning, there was a story, a body, and there was an end. The end, though, has come, you know, at this point where we feel miserable to leave, and we're still yearning for more, we're still thirsting for more. All good things must come to an end. Sir, I've realized, is a multifaceted personality. You cannot classify him as a single being, as a single human being. He is a brilliant surgeon, no doubts about that. He is an amazing inventor. Somebody, I was actually in awe of, you know, that Mishra's knot. That still, you know, it just rings, it just brings a quiver. And the concept of shadowing, the concept of the baseball diamond technique. I mean, this is something I don't think we would have gained anywhere else in the entire world, to be honest. He is an engineer. He's somebody who will break down every instrument to the mechanics of it, the lever action of it, and bring it to you on a platter that is very palatable and very delicious. He is a man who, above all, like each one of us in different ways portrayed, is a very humble man, a very humane being. I remember the time in the OT where I was like looking at a surgery which was progressing and thinking, I think maybe I should go a little more this way and cut a little more of this and a little more of that. And then I asked Sir in the OT, Sir, shall we like go ahead and, you know, maybe cut those adhesions also? Then he looked at me and he said, no, that's not necessary. It's not required. You do something for the well-being of the patient, not to prove your finesse as a surgeon. You don't go and unnecessarily embark on things to show your students and your juniors that you're excellent, which a lot of people do, but not think about the patient. That humane streak in him is something which I revere. And on this fine occasion, I am extremely honored. It's been a privilege. It's been, you know, it brings the deepest of happiness to realize that I have been mentored by a genius. You know, proudly I can go back to my hometown in Kerala, knowing that, you know, it was somebody with a golden hand, somebody with a golden heart, somebody with an intellectual level which is far beyond my comprehension who has taught me. Sir, I thank you, sir, from the bottom of my heart for all the days that I spent here. Secondly, Dr. Chauhan. Dr. Chauhan has also been one of the limbs of this institution who has actually taken us from the beginning to the end with Sir. And he has been extremely patient. Like a few of my friends have mentioned, he's been somebody who will actually sit down with a smile listen to the most irritating of doubts and the most dumbest of queries and actually make sense of it and take time out for us. Thank you so much, sir. The lab assistants, Motanji, Shivlalji, Yashji, all of you have actually come down to help us and who have, in spite of all the messes we've made during our live dissections and our procedures, and in spite of all the complications we've done, you've always had a solution. And that again, I think, reflects on how well Sir has trained you. Thank you so much for being patient with us. And finally, but definitely not the least, I would like to thank all my colleagues, all the people who were there with me during the course. And now you're not colleagues anymore, you're like the deepest of friends. And sir, I wish you all the very best. And I hope you will be a beacon of light, will bring together different cultures, different people from all over the world, and who will still keep sparking that interest to learn within us. Thank you so much.